morning, friends. Today I will share with you edible gardening here in Mount Kitanglad Agri Tourism Farm, where the habit houses are located. Nowadays, a lot of people like to grow plants, and these plants are called Nasturtiums. They grow in three different colors. The flowers, we have the yellow, we have the red. Actually, we also have a white flower for the nasturtiums, but we don't have it around here. These plants are very good for ground covers. At the same time, kung naamoy trellis, it could climb on the trellis. And well, these plants are very good for salad and garnish at the same time. So I'll show you how to eat this. You just choose the young leaves. You could choose young leaves, get some young leaves, and you could get some flowers, and I'll also get the red colored flower here. So we have a leaf and some flowers, and these plants are edible and not toxic to humans, and it's good for the health, I think. So I'll try it. Meh. anyway I'll show you later with some of the dishes, with some of this in the dish around from the photos of my friends. Okay, I will also show you with some of our gardens there with some edible plants, aside from nasturtiums. Well, I'm here around in our marigold flower garden. These marigolds are also edible, and you could also eat the petals of this. You could just get the petals, and you could put it in your salad or garnish, and then you could also eat the young leaves of the marigold plants. Got a lot here, just down the tree house in front. Man. But anyway, one of to make our diet much more cheaper, and especially nowadays, go around. So maybe planting more of growing edible plants would be best at the same time. Thank you so much, friends. You could visit my YT channel and subscribe for more. I will be doing more videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Peace and love. Bye.